this is the land that put the footy in the roll. And
Oh,
then he's got all that.
nice of me to get that. Maybe you can take that one back and get that.
The what?
A
Like that here,
dinosaur.
you guys got that.
Did you see that?
Look and open this.
Oh.
Ooh, that's big.
You can pick that back.
That's
I think
big.
that's from
What about
Nana.
that?
That's from Nana.
Oh.
You always
Thank
wanted
you.
it, Logan.
Oh. Look at the big. Look at Mama.
What is that? Did I put some in there?
Scooby-Doo truck.
The phone's ringing.
Hey. It's Scooby-Doo truck.
Hey,
Just let it go, John.
Scooby-Doo.
Probably me.
Just let it go, John. We'll get it
See
later.
my tail?
there you go.
Where's Scooby?
Did you save your bows?
I don't.
Yep.
I don't care. I can.
Oops. Oh, my hat fell off.
Where's Scooby?
Here we go.
That's Daddy right there, Mama.
Here, this is from Avery.
Or there. That's for Avery.
My basement.
Look,
Behind the recliners in that closet. This is present from
Oh,
Nana.
wait a minute. There's a
Hey,
little
Mom.
thing.
Flat guy.
Got you a flashlight. Look, it's got Lightning McQueen. You can shine up on the ceiling or something.
Oh, do you like Mrs.
Shan, did you
Potato
open that
Head?
bag
It
behind
has
it
lightning on
Here,
it,
Logan.
so you
Put
have
this stuff out.
lightning.
Mrs.
Yeah, that's
Potato Head.
good.
Logan, that's from Nana.
Oh, yeah. I know.
What did you get? A new backpack?
Oh, that's nice.
There's more stuff. There's more stuff.
That's
Boys,
cool.
Tate and Ty.
Let's put it out here so we can get it out.
It's not your birthday.
Look in there.
More
Logan. Get that stuff out.
More
Hey,
stuff.
stuff here.
Oh,
Look. What else
Daddy,
is
you're
in
getting
that?
some very nice clothes. Look at those t-shirts and pants. Well, I think he thinks there's a toy at the
There's
bottom.
toes in there.
Scooby cards.
Look at that shirt.
Those are cool.
Who's on it?
Cool, yeah.
Mama, ready, Daphne?
That one's cool.
No more
Hey, you
stuff.
have one more present from Mommy and Daddy. Will you sit down and we're going to go get it? Sit right here.
Uh,
Sit right there so you can see Sit it. down. See what Mommy and Daddy got you. Turn around.